guys. It's our weekly video. Um, I just wanted to go over the plans for this week and go through the agenda with you guys so that way you kind of know the expectations and you know what all needs to be done on your end. And so when you go to our Schoology, obviously you've been there because you're watching this video, you can see our checklist. And so our checklist has you do about 2 days. Well, I held up three fingers, 2 days worth of things. And so first, obviously, you've done the first one if you're watching this, which is uh, to watch our weekly video. So welcome, congrats, you got one done. Next, I want you to open our Math 1.3 notes presentation. And so you're going to start the notes and you're going to work through that packet that I gave you that you've already started. And if you have not started that, you need to go back and watch the other two videos or you are going to be very confused. Anyway, you're going to complete the presentation, and in doing so, you'll complete your notes for 1.3. So there's 1.1 through 1.5 in that notes packet. So we will be over halfway done by the time you finish those notes. So you're going to complete the notes, which means that you're going to watch the videos throughout the notes. And then you will, oh, that's the last slide. You'll go to your big ideas and you will complete the 1.3 homework. So when doing that, you need to do a showing work form for all of the problems. And once you're done with that, you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to upload it to the homework assignment in Schoology, which I will show you where that's at. And then after that, which I said is more of like a day 2, is more of just like really reviewing what we learned in our notes. And that's going over how to add rational numbers. And so that includes decimals, that includes fractions. And so you'll have a review here in which I'll check that and you'll get a grade for that. And so that's all we're doing this week is just 1.3. We won't have more than one topic this week because fractions are super important to know how to they're super important to know how to do when adding. There's different rules. And so we just want to really make sure that we know how to do it. And if you have questions, I want you to email me. There's not going to be a Zoom on Wednesday, which is hopefully when you're watching this. But there will be one Thursday and Friday. And so I've been on the past 2 Thursdays and Fridays, and I've only had 2 students show up. And so this is a time for you guys to come in, ask questions. This is kind of when the topic is getting a little bit more difficult. And so I would really love to hear from you guys, even if you pop on and just ask a simple question, or you just want to say hi, because I haven't actually got to meet some of you guys yet. But from 10:30 to 11 is our Zoom. And so Thursday or Friday, hop on, come say hello, get your questions answered. And hopefully this topic isn't too challenging, but whatever it is for you, we will get through it together. And so I'm just going to go through. You'll go to chapter 1, like it says up here to do. So you're going to go to chapter 1. I have a little bit more on my screen than you'll have, so you will just have these two. This was last week's, so if you haven't completed that, you need to go do those. And then this week is the 23rd through the 30th, and so you'll click on that folder. And you will see those, all the things from the agenda, all 4 of them. You will have your weekly video, obviously you found that, and then our notes, and then you have our showing work paper. This is where you're going to go and submit a picture of your showing work, and that's the only way that you can get a 3 out of 3 on your homework. If you don't submit that showing work, the highest grade that I can give you is a 2 if you submit it on Big Ideas. And then the review class kick, you'll click on that. You'll use your first and last name. Make sure that you do that for me because we have a few students who have the same first name. And so I just want to make sure that I'm giving points to the correct person. And After that, you don't need to submit anything here. The Classic is self-submitting, and so I can actually see what you're doing in real time, which is kind of cool. And so that's all that we're doing this week. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help. Hopefully, you guys are having a good week so far, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.